are going to love the 2019 Acura RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, traction control, stability control, power liftgate, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.